I was reading one of the lectures by Neville Goddard, Order Your Conversations Aright. It is a very amazing lecture that contains a success story of his father, Joseph, and brother, Victor Goddard. They are a proof of the law of assumption. I even did a Google search and, upon investigating further, I found a business named Goddard Enterprises. It is a 100-year-old business started by Neville Goddard's father, Joseph, and brother, Victor Goddard. In this lecture, he revealed the secret that made them extremely rich and successful in a short span of time. You too can apply it as per your scenarios, and it would definitely work. The story goes back to when Neville gave his lecture in New York, and his father heard him for the first time. Upon returning to their apartment, his father confirmed that whatever he said was true. His father was a very poor man, and he married his mother, who was also poor, and they had 12 children, of which 2 died and 10 survived. His father had to feed his wife, his mother, and his 10 children, along with some servants. With a little income and a huge responsibility, Neville's father used to do this simple activity every morning after breakfast. He would sit in his chair and partly shut his eyes. He would then imagine the people he would meet during the day. He would have conversations with them in his imagination, and he would make them so real that he would hear those people confirm that it was true. He used to do this activity until he was completely satisfied with his inner conversations. He ordered his conversations aright, and the rest is history. His father started a company with his son, Victor Goddard, and distributed the shares of his company to all of his 10 children. That gave them an independent income and made them all wealthy. They made it happen. From a little meat grocery store to a successful multi-conglomerate. You can confirm it by looking at their website. It is a business located in Barbados. You too can try it out every day. Even if you have a job, you can have an amazing inner conversation with your boss. Make him confirm in your imagination that you are getting a hike in your salary. Do it till you are completely satisfied with what you have heard. All of you are having tiny little conversations every day in your mind. If you can convince yourself mentally that you already have what you desire, the mind will reflect it in the space you call 3D. Everything is a manifestation of God, and God is your own wonderful human imagination. It is inside of you. It is your subconscious mind that everyone can access. So, do yourself a favor and don't condemn the rich if you want to get wealthy. Don't talk to yourself as if you are a victim, because circumstances will mold themselves, and you will experience what you believed in your mind. Do you want to get famous? Start telling yourself that you are talented and famous. No one can stop it from happening once you feel completely satisfied with your inner conversations. How much more proof do you need? Just go and try it out. You are the proof that you need. If you enjoyed this video, I will meet you with another nugget tomorrow so that you can stay on track. Do subscribe if you found it useful. Happy manifesting.